Cabins are pressurized to keep passengers and crew comfortable and breathable at high altitudes where the outside air is too thin for normal human life. Pressurization creates constant outward pressure on the fuselage skin and frames, just like the internal pressure in a balloon. And the aircraft must resist these forces safely. Every flight pressurizes and depressurizes the cabin, causing thousands of load cycles that eventually affect structural durability and crack growth potential. Cutouts for doors and windows create stress concentrations, like holes in a stressed balloon, which require special reinforcement to avoid cracks initiating there. Even tiny cracks in a pressurized fuselage can grow over time because pressure cycles drive crack propagation more than single loads. Residual strength is the ability of a structure to carry load even after some damage has started, ensuring the aircraft remains safe until repair. From thickness of the skin to frame spacing and window reinforcement, pressurization loads are a primary factor shaping how fuselages are designed and certified.